playing Roblox, um, Roblox games. So like, let's go play games. So as I'm doing it, guys, like and subscribe and one thing. Okay, so let's do this because I'm in the blue team, of course. Oh, guys, don't forget on like and subscribe. It's I don't do anything to it. Please, I just have to take subs, please. Let's do this, guys. It's gonna be fun. And also, oh yeah, I forgot. The owner of this game is very thankful. I actually like the owner. I've actually met the owner before. No, 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 no. Avoid being grilled. Yeah, guys, don't grill yourself like as I want to don't do that for me. Like, just use my boss. That's all. No, I'm dead. I'm dead, man. You're tripping. And also, you also get like things like pies, sauce, like jewelry. But oh my god, you just let them stop boring. Wouldn't even want to sit like things. Okay, guys, please like to subscribe, please. I'm making a video today, and I'd like to subscribe. Oh, I'll finish this. Okay, you have to subscribe because we have to do this. Okay. God, oh man, all this is not coming. Wait for me. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard. Why is Fault not joining me? Like, what? I'm like the most. What? What the? I don't know what happened, guys, but someone was tough. I don't know who, but I don't know how. But this is strange, man. This is strange, guys. So, like, let's subscribe for more. Do anybody have voice chat? Anyone have voice chat? Because I'm making a video, so listen. So what's up, boys? We have the boy with the king, with the man, with the boy. His name is Bacon. I'm just following him. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Why do I put this together? See, when him actually playing well with that's my other account. He's playing with my other account. You can see now. We're playing the game together, and we are teaming up. So what's up, Bacon? What you doing? How was the day? Tell me what happened, man. Tell me what happened. Speak, man. Make it speak. I know you can have voice, but don't speak. Speak, bro. Talk to me, talk. Why is someone talking to me? Okay, guys. Okay, what is your favorite start of the game? Okay. Okay. Also, subscribe. I don't know what's everywhere is that. Look at the castle. Oh, I know the castle fast. Oh, guys, the game is actually terrible, but yeah, send the castle. Do this. So just enter the castle. Oh yeah, I know this game. Okay, you have to be careful in this game. Actually, this game is pretty hard. See, I don't even have to do this. This game is true for hard. If I can do it, you can. Tell you guys, this game is the most hardest one ever. See, it's too hard for me. But I'm telling you, I was literally to the end. I was to almost the end, and I just failed. I'm telling you, wait for the game to like finish this part because this thing is just too hard. See, and I even left. Yeah, and I left. I didn't want to do it anymore. One reason, other shit, I'm going to do because it was just too hard. You know, it was just these days, and you know, but it's no, on, no one likes to subscribe. And what's up, guys? There's someone named Sauce Brunos. Who's Sauce Brunos? Why you name Sauce Brunos? Get on my face. And I probably bought it. Look at me. Look at that face. That's what? What's that? What's this like? It's gonna be easy. We can climb this house. What? Oh, my camera is glitch, guys. Like, it's instantly glitching, guys. I don't know what's happening. I have no idea how this. No, I fell down. I don't started, man. I just started. Man, I just started. Well, you just sub, wait, let me ask you something. Let me ask you something. Let me ask you something. I think you have to something. I don't think something. I'm really tired. I'm really bored all the night. And people get tired of that. Because you have a lot of people because oh, you want I'm gonna go. Oh, how did I not press the button? Rob the bank. Okay, guys, don't do this like in real life. Don't do this in real life. Don't like rob the bank. You're gonna get arrested. Don't rob the bank in real life. I'm telling you guys, it's just a game. Don't do it in real life. Be an hour, you know. What? I'm stuck here. Uh, so let's go. Yeah, I'm doing this easily, but I'm a pro at this game. I think. What? I can't walk the back again. But even my heart, even my dog. This what? This is the castle. This is the castle. Like that one. Oh my god. Oh, look at this one. Oh boy, I knew it. I knew it. No, I'm just gonna put that guy. Oh gosh, we have to see if I die. No, no, no. If I die, I have to end the stream and end the video to help me, guys. Oh, also by subscribing. We can do. We can do. We can do. We can do. We can still do this. So guys, let's go. Guys, we can do it. Whoa, that's I almost died that time. We can do. We can do. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh guys, oh remember, um, you, you can give a free gifts by subscribing and liking. If I get 1,000 subscribers, you can get my woman. So let's do this. I won. So let's go. Oh, this is the most easiest thing ever. Ah, you did join! Bro, I'm making a video. Oh my god, he left. Bro left. Dude, bro left. Now this ain't tripping. Bro ain't tripping. He ain't tripping. Oh my, we wasn't even ready. How did she win? Bro, what the fuck? What's the real I know this game. I know. Okay. Let's go, guys. I won. Oh, guys. I'm gonna be back and now working from home and this and this kind of video. So, bye. Guys.